Hello everyone, this is Redoy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scrape targeted LinkedIn profiles from Google completely free of cost. So without further ado, let me show you the step-by-step process there. So first of all, we made one Google search. Let's say site clone linkedin.com/in/. That means I'm looking for information only from linkedin.com. And after that, I put it my targeted title CEO from marketing agency. That means I am looking for a CEO only from marketing agency, and my targeted location is New York, United States. And if I search it, just take a look. Toby Eberts from New York based digital agency. That means this is from marketing agency. Jason Harris from New York, this is from advertising agency, that means marketing agency. Victoria Roshi, Chief Executive Officer, CEO, publisher from New York, United States, this is from marketing agency. If I scroll it down, just simply see this page. All of them are from marketing agency, United States. In the first page, 100 LinkedIn profile is there. All of are New York from United States, and from all of them from marketing agency. So now it's time to collect the name and titles from this Google page. So for this, I'm using one Google Chrome free extension. I'm showing. For this, simply just click on new tab and type out XPath helper. In the first link, simply click on this, and this is the free extension that we will use to extract the LinkedIn profile links and profile name and title as well. I'm gonna attach the link into the video description for your easy access. So now simply click on add to Chrome. After that, add on extension, so that extension has been added to Chrome. So now just click on extension list and then click on pin to here, so that you can access easily. So now simply go back to the Google search page and just simply reload the page, so that extension will work properly. So now just click on the extension and just click on shift and just hover over the profile. Just take a look. Toby Bears, New York, this profile is already selected. So now if I want to select it all the profiles, that means 100 profiles, simply we need to one changes. I will show you the changes. Simply remove this part from this and add one /. Just take a look. All of the profile name and title is appearing there. Just take a look. 99 profiles. So just simply copy to all, hit Ctrl C and Command C to copy to all and paste it to your spreadsheet. Just take a look, 99 result is there. So simply go back to the search pages, and now it's time to collect the LinkedIn profiles. So now for this, simply add one / and put double dot and another / and then type @href and just take a look. All of them LinkedIn profile is appearing there. Simply just Ctrl A to select all, and just simply Ctrl C to copy all of them, and just go back to the spreadsheet and paste it to here. If I just verify the profile name and profile links, this is right or wrong, simply just see the profile Toby Eberts, and if I just hover over the profile link Toby Eberts, now this profile is accurate profile. So now simply go back to the Google search page and then click on the next page and just click on the extension and just hover over the profile and click on shift, and then simply change this, just remove this part and add one additional / and all the profile is selected. The 100 profile is selected. So just simply click on Ctrl A to select all and hit Ctrl C to copy to all and go back to the spreadsheet and paste it to here. So now it's time to collect their LinkedIn profiles. Go back to the Google search page and add one / and put double dot another / and type out @href. Just take a look. All of them profile is there. there. Just simply copy to all, go back to the spreadsheet and paste it to here. Again, if you want to verify this, check out the name Love Malone, founder CEO, and just hover over the profile Love Malone founder. So this is the easiest process how you can scrape targeted LinkedIn profile from Google. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please do like and subscribe to get more content like this. If you have any question, feel free to ask me by commenting below. Have a good day. Bye bye.